Hey everybody, it's Kayla. This is my first video where I'm actually talking. My last video I didn't have any voice, so you kind of had to just bear with me, just doing my face really fast. But here I am, loud and proud. Alright. But we're going to start off with primer. Primer is very important to me. A lot of people don't think primer is important, but for me it really creates a great base, and it's really important to have a super hydrating primer. So I have this ceramide priming face serum that I always start with. I don't know if you can see it. I'm blind, so I'm like, but it's made by the Herbiary. So this is it. We're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this all over our face. I had actually started out by washing my face with some of my cellular water, and actually before I go in with that, I should go in with some of this. It is some clarifying lotion. It's like exfoliating liquid lotion. It's like, I got it at Clinique. Sorry, I'm trying to find something, so just ignore the fact that my face ain't in the video. Whatever. But I got it at Clinique. The Clinique counter in Bonton, to be more specific. My aunt actually bought me a pair of shoes that I didn't like, and I exchanged them, and I got some foundation, I got this stuff, I got a palette for a really good deal. Plus, I recently went back since they're going out of business, and I got a pair of shoes with the rest of the money for that, since it was store credit. So I just go over my face with that. You can use, you're supposed to use like cotton rounds and stuff for those, or like a soft towel, which I use. I don't know if any of you guys have ever tried them, but the Viva paper towels, they literally feel like washcloths, with like really soft ones. Like, they're amazing. So I use them for like everything, and like, I already washed my face, but like, ew. It just kind of exfoliates it, which I really like in my T-zone. Smells really strongly of witch hazel. But yeah, love this stuff. Alright, so now we're going to go in with our primer. Our priming serum. I'm going to just drip this all over our face. Ooh. We got some tool chains. Yeah, see, this looks weird, but we're just going to rub this all over. Oh, I got it in my eye. Ah! Alright. I mean, I don't recommend slapping yourself with that, but okay. So, let that sit for a couple of seconds, minutes, whatever you want to do. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start my eyes. I don't know what color I really want to do today. I kind of want to go for like a more natural, basic look. I really want to use my Morphe palette, but I always use that. I haven't done any videos with it though, so I should use it. I mean, I use it like all the time. Like all my pictures are with my Morphe palette. I love it. The 3502 palette. Look at that. Crazy. I guess this color first. We'll go in with this color. You can use tape if you want a sharp line. I use tape sometimes, but I don't always want a sharp line. I think sharp lines look better for like if you're trying to have more of like an elegant, like dressier look, and like I'm always trying to look like I just chilled. So I don't want to be too extreme, so I don't usually do the tape unless I'm trying to be extreme. So we're gonna keep going. My best friend's supposed to be coming over any minute now, so she might join our video, who knows. Alright, so we got a little bit of a tan base. It's a little bit orangey tan. I really need to like actually clean my brushes, but I just keep getting more brushes. Like I get a lot through Ipsy and BoxyCharm, and which I really recommend both of those. BoxyCharm especially, you get 4 to 5 full size products a month, and a lot of times you get a palette, and you get a lot of primer and like mascara, like stuff you use every day. And Ipsy is really good because it's $10 a month, and like, yeah, it's trial sizes, but it's deluxe trial sizes. And you get 5 a month, plus you get a cute little bag, and you get enough that like by the time you use one of them, like, you're gonna get something else. So that's why I really like Ipsy, because I get a lot of single eyeshadows that I really enjoy. So my next color we're gonna go in with, we're gonna go ahead with this right here, maybe. We'll go with this one. This guy right here. See that guy right there? We're going in with him. We're gonna go in right here. So I'm just going back in with the first color I used to like add some more and like blend what I just did. Alright. So this is what we got going so far. I have a color that I got from my Ipsy bag. It's actually a ColourPop color, and it's called Paper Tiger, and it's a little bit yellow. I want to use that. I'm going to go in right here with this Paper Tiger because it's a little bit yellow, and I love it. And I want to go all over the lid with this guy. All over. I'm going to use one of these crown brushes I got in my other BoxyCharm. And just blend everything. This is what I do. I don't know if other people use this way, but I love this brush for this. You see what we got going on here. This guy right here. It looks like white because my light is so bright, but it's really like a gold. I'm gonna put this on the middle of our eyelid. And dab it to spread it around. I'm just cleaning it up with the first color that I used. Yes, so we got that going. It looks good. Looks nice. Yeah, actually, I'm going to go in with this Smashbox eyeliner that I have that I got my Ipsy the one time. And, like, I'm not going to do a wing. I'm actually just going to go along my lash line and smudge it. I'm just going to stick with that, a little bit more of a natural look. I'm going to move on to my eyebrows, and then we're going to move on to our face. So now, time to do our eyebrows. I have this It Cosmetics pencil that I got in my BoxyCharm. Everything's from BoxyCharm. I love BoxyCharm. Like, if you don't have BoxyCharm yet, you really need BoxyCharm. So we're just going to go ahead and we are going to fill in our eyebrows. I start with the top of my eyebrow.
Can you see what I'm doing?
Because sometimes I have a heavy hand, I guess, and my eyebrows look really dark sometimes. So I'm working on that, and we will get through it together. I think it's like really funny when people get like personally offended. Like when your eyebrows don't match your hair. Like, I wasn't aware of that because like my hair was pink. I should have pink eyebrows. Like, I don't want pink eyebrows. And like a lot of people ask me why my eyebrows aren't pink. I'm like, why does it matter to you? Like, ew. I'm probably gonna go in with some tinted gel to fill in all the gaps, but just do a little comparison. I actually tweezed my eyebrows today, so that's why they're a little red, but brows are like a staple part of your face, so like, you gotta get them good. The brow cow. So we're gonna use this. Alright, so those are our brows. We look good, our eyes look good, our brows look good, we looking good. Yeah, these are our brows. My double decker Better London mascara. Bad Gal Bang mascara. Alright. Bang! I don't ever put mascara on the bottom of my eyes because it always gets like right here throughout the day, and I think that looks so bad, and I cannot figure out how to make it stop. So if you know how to make it stop, please comment in the comments and let me know. But I'm gonna go back in with my double decker. Now we're gonna highlight our eyes. Okay, so now that our eyes are pretty much done, we are gonna move on to the rest of our face. I'm gonna come back to the eyes after I finish my face because we're gonna have to like put some stuff underneath them, maybe add some glitter, but first we're gonna move on to the rest of our face. So we already used our priming serum. Now we're gonna go in with our actual primer, and I have this Dr. Brandt's Pore Minimizing Pore No More Luminizer Primer. And we're just gonna put this all over our face.
Make sure you have no eyeshadow or anything. Annoying. Rub it all over.
Got that on. So now for all this redness all over my face. Now I'm gonna go in with my green to cover all my red.
I'm ready to clear.
Now that I look all green, I'm gonna add my foundation. So I'm gonna go in with this Clinique foundation that my friend Sarah got me, who's also sitting right next to me. Over there. I got some new cases.
So now I need this. It's not that you can feel it. It is some really pale Milani. The porcelain. It's super pale. So I put on soft shorts because high-waisted pants when you're sitting and doing your makeup is not comfortable.
Okay. So now it's time to contour. This. I'm getting a new contour palette in my BoxyCharm this month, and I'm so excited. So now that we look extra crispy, burnt around the edges, time for the airspell. Okay, I lost the lid. It's on my lap. Okay, so now it's for a little bit, and I just look all powdery and weird. But in the meantime, I will add my blush. My blush. I got this in my BoxyCharm yet again, because everything that I've put on my face today, I've been like, I got this in my BoxyCharm. So now, got that sets in. Sugar and lemon exfoliator that I got in my BoxyCharm. And I use this stuff with a toothbrush to exfoliate my lips. So,
Yeah, it's so gross and not delicious. There's the brush here. Looks like you brush your teeth.
okay. Now we're gonna blend out our face.
Don't break some crazy cake face. Weirdo. Okay. So.
Now it's time to highlight our Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. In the color, we'll go with Eclipse. And we'll mix Lyra in with it. We will mix. Alright. Then we have our Wet n Wild Natural Finish setting spray that I actually got at Five Below for $4.99. Go back in and add some more eyeshadow. We're going to go back in with the first color we used, which was this guy, I believe. Hopefully. If not, then it's not going to match. So. I hope this is the color we used. And then we're going to add some glitter from our Hardcandy palette. We're going to use the gold because if you use the silver, it wouldn't match. I'm going to use some black from our palette. We're going to go ahead and we're going to add more highlighter because you can never have too much highlighter. I think we may be done. Oh, almost forgot the lips. We have, this one is from So Susan Cosmetics. And it looks a little pink, but when you put it on, it's actually a little more orange. It's actually called Pumpkin. And this stuff does not come off for anything. Like, you could wear it out to eat and then go to the bar and then go home with somebody and it would still be on. It probably would have taken half as much time if I used lip liner, but as good as it's gonna get. Looks pretty good. One last thing, actually, even though I said that was the last thing, we're gonna have one last thing. And then maybe it'll be the last thing, maybe we'll think of something else, but we need to go in with some more highlighter. I think we might be done. Let's see.
Ooh, my hair exploded.
But yes, I'd say that we are done. I think it looks good. My hair might not look good, but that's another day, another dollar. Yes. That highlight though, it's crazy out of this world. Yes. And that's it. I think it turned out pretty good. Didn't do a wing. Wanted to go for a more natural look. Looks rockin'. Yeah, so, yeah. If you like my look, make sure you subscribe and comment and like below. Have a great day, guys, and I will catch you next time. That was really